Today, we're diving into adjectives, those words that bring color and detail to our language. We'll explore how they work, why they matter, and ways to get started using them more effectively. Let's jump in and see how adjectives can make our communication sharper and more vivid. Here, we're working with adjectives, words that bring life and color to our sentences. You'll see 5 sentences with blanks to fill. Your task is to choose adjectives that fit, but also add a bit of flair. Think beyond the usual, aim for words that make the image vivid and memorable. This exercise helps us stretch our vocabulary and think creatively about description. Let's see how these adjectives can transform simple sentences into something much more engaging. Today, we're diving into day 2, where the focus is on crafting vivid sentences. We'll look at pictures and challenge ourselves to describe them with ambitious, interesting adjectives. The goal is to bring each image to life with words that spark the imagination, making descriptions more engaging and memorable. Let's push beyond the ordinary and choose language that truly captures the essence of what we see. Today, we're focusing on a fun but challenging exercise, unscrambling adjectives. You'll see a list of mixed-up words, each one an adjective. Your task is to figure out the correct word, then use it in a sentence. This helps sharpen your vocabulary and your ability to apply new words naturally. Remember to use capital letters at the start and full stops at the end of your sentences. It's a great way to build confidence with descriptive language. Let's dive in and see what you come up with. Let's take a look at these simple sentences. They're clear, but they could be so much more vivid. Our task is to edit them by adding ambitious and interesting adjectives, words that bring scenes and actions to life. Think about how a single adjective can transform a plain sentence into something memorable. This exercise helps us sharpen our descriptive skills and make our writing more engaging. Let's dive in and see how a few well-chosen words can change everything. Now that we've reached the final day, it's time to reflect on how accurate your answers were throughout the week. Take a moment to respond with a tick or a cross. This simple self-assessment helps you see where you've grown and where there's room to improve. It's all about honest reflection and progress. This video was created with SlideSpeak. Visit SlideSpeak to turn your presentations into engaging AI-narrated videos.